We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up MELI. We are on the 12-month time frame. Price action, last candle to the right-hand side is a bullish green candle. Current price is sitting at 1359.59. So if price action pushes up, it can tag that high of structure, green and red, sitting at the numbers of 1668.30. Price action decides to work its way down. It can tag the low area of that red and green, which will be near the numbers of 19.22. We're also going to add the midpoint. Which would be near the numbers of 814.41. So price action, bullish green candle, if it decides to push up further, we are looking for price action to engulf the second last candle of the market at that body, which connects to the third last candle at the bottom of that body. So we look for a break and retest as we walk down the time frame. Also, we're going to gauge the top of that highest high SR line to the midpoint, and we're going to add a midpoint in the middle so we can see what happened within that area. And we're also going to keep that color as blue. So that will be at 1209.34. So just in case the market pulls back, and it can pull back up to that midpoint line, and if it drops down further, it may be a reversal, may not, depends on what's going on. So we'll take a look at what's going on as we walk down the time frame. So we have a price action below price action at the midpoint, and we look for price action to currently break the high of the second last candle body connected with the third last candle bottom. So it'll look something like this. So because price action broke through that midpoint for the first time, it came back to retest. That will be the first leg. So we at the first leg coming down in red, and market is creating that second leg. So once we have that break, we're going to see if that market's going to identify a break, a retest, and for that market to push up. If so, we'll see that incline W, unless this price action is very strong where we receive bullish green candles. We may not see a retest, and that market may follow up with a retest later on. If price action pushes down, where is it coming from? The high, green and red, tag that area twice. So that's identified. Market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up again with the second last candle, came back down. So that's the formation of the double top. Market pushed down, closed the formation of the double top at the midpoint of the blue SR line at 1209.34. We received the break of the market. Price action came back to retest. Now, if it doesn't push above price action, or because it can push up above price action and still later on reverse and drop back down and leave like a long wick up towards the price action wick. And if that does happen, or the reverse will happen now, or a following candle may follow up and drop that market back down, it can come back down for a retest once again. So that will be first, second, third, fourth. Retest, market push down once. As I said, that will be the first push, and then it can come back to retest. If not, market just can break all the way through, and then we know price action can be working from the midpoint to second level lows before tagging that area of lower lows of structure, that bottom orange line. Price action on a 6-month time frame is reading as a bullish green candle. So we can see that price action did break the overall market of the midpoint as we created on an earlier time frame. Price action is lined up with the SR line, so we're looking for this break of this area of this market here. According to price headed to the break in the retest to see if it's going to push down or may just reverse. Working our way to the 3-month time frame. So price action on the 3-month time frame is reading as a bullish green candle. So it's a bullish green candle spiked down to a low. So what that means is that price action is retesting. So before we talk about price, let's work our way a little backwards and see what happened at that area. So these are when the market broke, came back to retest. We can see that market's trying to form that formation of that what? First leg, second leg, third leg. Third leg is with the third to last candle. Fourth to last candle pushed up. So now we have a double bottom formation. After double bottom, what happened? The market retest. And this is where we're looking to see if that market's going to push up. This is still an active candle, so this market could just push up and break through the SR line. If not, it can consolidate or work its way back down. So we do know we have to retest. We're going to see if it's going to identify a push for that breakout from that double bottom in a retest. Now, let's say that area is denied. So let's say we denied at this area that resistance, market work its way down. Where is it coming from? So when we draw our screen back, what pattern did we receive at the high? And we talked about this on the 12-month time frame. We received the pattern of the double top. So we have market spiked up to the high of that double top with the first leg, second leg, third leg, came down for a full formation of that double bottom. Or really it stopped here at the second level highs of that blue SR line, pushed down further, came back to retest. So price second, third last candle in the market is the retest of the closeout of the M formations. We have the M formation, market broke the M formation, came back to return to the M formation. And now is it going to push down further? Is it going to work its way up, or is it going to consolidate sideways on that monthly time frame? But so far, near price action is reading as price action, or I should say fourth last candle into that area with the third last candle retest. We're going to see that market's going to push and break out. If so, market's coming from a break and retest and a push, and we're going to see it's going to retest that orange line if it breaks through. Weekly time frame, price action is breaking, trying to break through the SR line. So we got a bit of a break. Where's it coming from? See that double bottom coming down in red. First, second, third, fourth. Okay, double bottom, or is that? Yep, double bottom. Looking for the break, still looking for the retest or the market to push up further, unless it may not push up through there. If not, then it could be rejected here or here and it still work its way down. But so far we're looking for a pattern to identify that market's going to push up further. Daily time frame, what do we receive? We receive the break. So price action of daily time frame has engulfed over the SR line. So we're going to see what's happening next. We're going to see if it's going to retest or follow with bullish green candles. Before we do, we're going to tag that, grab that second to last candle in the market. Grabbing the second to last candle in the market, going to walk down the time frame to see what's going on. Or at least pull back first. Going to pull back, stretch out that second to last candle, which is the daily time frame, yesterday candle, to see what happened the past few days or weeks. So we can see price action the past few weeks had a hard time breaking that resistance line. You can see where it tagged the area of support and basically consolidated with a pattern that created the first, second, third, fourth, retest, one. So price action is coming from a triple bottom, retest, two, retest, third push. So we're going to see it's going to retest and identify that fourth push. After the fourth push, it may identify one more push for the fifth time. If not, then the market may have to come back for a full, complete retest to that zone before pushing up further. Working our way to the 4-hour time frame. So price action 4-hour time frame. So the previous day is within the column. So the previous day from today, we can see the market consolidated with the second last candle inside that third last candle. Today the market broke. So all we're looking for is the market to retest. So we're looking for the market to retest somewhere around this area. It can push up a little higher, or it can come back down to retest that bottom of that zone in blue, unless we receive the consolidation with a price action candle within that current price action candle, or following price action candle inside that price action candle, which create that consolidation. So whatever the candle is could be identified as a doji, MELI stock.